I'm doing Dr. Joe Dispenza meditations every single day. This is day 16. And after doing generating gratitude for more than a week straight, I switched it up to generating flow today. And it's just as amazing. So, generating flow is amazing. I could feel my heart open, I could tune into his guidance and his voice much easier now. After doing it so many times, I can just feel myself drop in faster. And if you've been following my journey, you'll know all the free stuff that I've been getting doing these meditations, like all the abundance that I've been experiencing in my reality. And a lot of you are doing the same meditation as well. And some of you are saying that you're not experiencing the shifts yet. And honestly, it's completely okay. I experienced all that stuff when I was in Bali, and now that I'm back in Jakarta, things are the way they are. Like I'm back in my routine. I don't go out as much because I'm usually just at work or like meeting my friends. And it doesn't mean that I don't experience magical things. I still do, but maybe not in the extent that I did when I was in Bali. And that's totally fine, because if you're looking for evidence that you're abundant from your external reality, you're doing it wrong. What matters is how you feel within. When I was getting all that free stuff, I felt so complete and whole within myself. And even now, I'm not searching for anything outside of me. I know that I'm an abundant being and life will always respond to my energy. So if you're doing these meditations and you're just waiting for your life to change, stop. Shift your mindset, shift your perspective, and set your intentions. Your intention should be shifting from within. You need to change your energy to change your life. That's what Dr. Joe always says. It's not change your life and change your energy. It's change who you are first from within, and life will respond to that change, right? Follow for more to see how this journey unfolds for me and for many people on my page that are also doing these meditations. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.